Are you planning to take a couple of road trips this summer? Here are some tips that can help you arrive at your destination pain-free. Let's talk about some tips to help avoid muscle strain while on long car trips. So you want to be sure that your seat height is adjusted to the level so your feet can be flat on the floorboard with your knees in alignment with your hips. You want your knees and your hips to be at about the same level. You can adjust the back of your car seat so that you're seated upright, and be sure to sit directly on your sit bones, which will help maintain good posture. As well, you can adjust the lumbar support in your seat to help encourage upright posture. For your hand positions, alternate between 10 and 2 and 8 and 4 with your shoulders down and back and relaxed. This will help decrease the likelihood of strain on your shoulders, your upper back, or your neck. One final tip is to avoid the side lean. After a long period of time, we tend to get comfortable and kind of slouch off to the one side. Typically, we see it on the right side, which will increase the strain on your shoulder, your elbow, or your upper back. It will also potentially increase the strain on your left side because you tend to be using this arm up and out like this and leaning onto the shoulder. So remember to stay upright, sitting on your sit bones with your chair adjusted to help encourage good posture. For this tip, we're going to talk about utilizing the features of your car to help maintain good posture while on your car rides. So first, we're going to talk about your visors. Be sure to use your visor to avoid sticking your head forward or leaning off to the side to avoid sun or glare while driving. So be sure to bring your visor down or even flip it up just a little bit so that you can maintain your eye level. Next, we're going to talk about using cruise control. Especially for long car rides, having your foot extended and pressing down for a long period of time can create tension and pain and strain in your ankle, your knee, your hip. So utilizing your cruise control on car rides will help decrease the likelihood of creating strain on one side. Also, remember to use the lumbar support in your chair, which will encourage you to stay upright and help decrease strain in your low back and hips. For this tip, let's talk about using your rest brakes for movement breaks while on your long car trips. We all love to get to where we're going as fast as possible, but incorporating more movement will help you arrive pain-free. So be sure to move around your car, do some stretches when you're stopped to get gas or stopped to get some food. Use those times to get in a little bit more movement. Walking, stretching is all going to help you get to your destination pain-free. For more tips like this, be sure to hit like and follow.